Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around our lovely 2018 68 plate Land Rover Discovery Sport. This is the 7-seat model in the SE Tech, so it comes very well specified from the factory. The SE Tech, you get a lot of gloss black detailing, so you've got your grey lettering, grey centre grille, and then the lower is in the gloss black. You've got gloss black on your fog lamp surrounds, obviously in the window surrounds and your rear boot plinth, so a very nice sort of styling cue. The car itself is obviously finished in black, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloys, finished in a lovely sparkle silver. All four wheels are in fantastic order throughout, riding on nice tyres. Coming through to the back, so this is the gloss black plinth that I was on about. You've got the grey Discovery Sport lettering, obviously grey detailing to the lower diffuser, nice sporty dual exhaust, rear parking sensors. You've got a rear camera on this one as well, which is just found there. Now, being the 7-seat model, you've got the 2 extra seats in the rear. Obviously with the seats up you are limited to boot space, but then operating the seats, putting them down is very easy. So just pull of a lever, fold it down like so, and you've got a nice flat loading area. So with those seats down, you've got a nice wide loading area which stretches all the way back. In the boot as well, you've got a 12-volt power outlet for phone charging. We have got the parcel shelf for this vehicle as well. I've just taken it out for demonstration purposes. You've got split folding front seats, or middle seats I should say, so press and hold and they fold down just like so. It's an electric tailgate, so just press of a button and it glides down. Looking through to the interior, this is a lovely car that has truly been cherished in its years of ownership. So looking at the back, you've got Isofix seats on both sides. You've got a nice central armrest with 2 cup holders and a bit of central storage. These rear seats are in fantastic order, obviously half leather, so you've got leather on the bolsters and then a nice cloth centre to allow the seat to breathe. But there's no signs of any rips or tears on these seats. Jumping inside, the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. All the netting is intact and not been stretched out. You've got a 12-volt power outlet in the bottom there, so ideal if you've got children, they can charge the phones as you're driving along. But then looking through into the cabin, the fit and finish is fantastic. So we've got a lot of bright silver brushed aluminium detailing, some gloss black detailing here and there, but everything feels very high quality. So coming through to the driver's side, obviously the driver's seat is where you tend to pick up most of your work, getting in and out of the vehicle, but looking at those bolsters, they are in absolutely fantastic order. The whole vehicle, it's never been smoked in, so no smell of smoke. You've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. You've got your central lock-in. Jumping inside, you're greeted with a lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So quickly just go into condition again. The steering wheel is in lovely order. There's no signs of any sort of nicks, no discoloration or rubbing away. And then on the steering wheel itself, we've got our Bluetooth phone, our voice command, our volume and media controls. We've got our cruise control, speed limiter. We've got flappy paddles on this vehicle, so when you turn the wheel, the flappy paddles follow. And so it allows you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. You've got automatic wipers, automatic lights on this vehicle as well. And then as we're doing the video today, super low mileage, having only covered 14,335 miles. Coming through to the center display, it's a nice big touch screen, so you've got all the buttons along the sides, and then coming through to the center, You've got your multimedia, so that includes your DAB radio, FM, aux on there as well. You've got Bluetooth music, so obviously when you connect your phone, your Bluetooth music pops up on there as well. We have got the satellite navigation module for this vehicle as well, so the full SAT NAV is there. You've got your climate control. It's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got heated front seats, heated windscreen, all your drive selectors in the bottom there as well, so normal, ice, gravel, snow, sand and so on. And then clicking through again, you've got your camera, 4x4 information, as this is a permanent four-wheel drive vehicle, valet and eco data. So it's a four-wheel drive vehicle powered through a silky smooth 9-speed automatic box. You've got the sport mode on there as well. You've got your electric parking brake, central cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet and a bit of hidden storage. Central armrest in superb order. Within there is your Aux USB and another 12-volt power outlet. All the books which were supplied with the vehicle from brand new are still with the car there today. And I've had the chance to drive this vehicle. It drives absolutely spot on. Condition wise, again, nice vehicle. So looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. No bumper corner scuffs. This vehicle has been very well cared for. So if you'd like any further information on this car, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so if you'd like to book a viewing for this vehicle, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. We are a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, and they're all from verified buyers, so people who've actually bought from us and dealt with us. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years. You'll see happy customers collecting the vehicles who've travelled the distance, and you'll also see the level of stock that we carry here. So again, thank you very much for watching. There's myself, Dominic, on sales. There's also Lee and Graham, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.